we decided to hit another motorcycle meetup. Yeah, this is like a couple miles away from it. So crazy right now. It's a biker food. It's not Ferrari pizza over here. It's biker barbecue. Is that the new Kawasaki?
Yeah.
That's nice. Is it like technically advanced and all that good stuff?
Yeah, I got a lot of all the bells and whistles and stuff, yeah.
Shit, that's nice.
I'm trying to like this shit, but I gotta fucking log in.
Yeah, you gotta go on the official YouTube thing and do it. It's okay, take your time, bro. Appreciate it. Oh yeah. It's the first time I've ever been to a place like this before. So, here we are at the second meetup. Yeah, when the weather's good out in New York, people don't play. People don't play. I'm going to show you. Should I put it all in one video? I don't know. I currently don't know. He's gonna record this and then take it home. And make a video. Hard to see. One thing about this iPhone camera, it does not have good quality in the nighttime. You see Silver Hill? My God. Shit, just don't stop.
I know you.
What's up, man? Gosh.
Oh, you everywhere.
Gotta record while I can.
Daily reviews.
Yes, sir. Yes. And we can't stop. And we won't stop.
That's why I'm like, I have my stickers on.
Yes. This video is just gonna keep going for now. And you got these people mobbing over here. That's our click right there. That's our click. There must be freedom blocks. Yeah. She crazy.